Hey everyone, welcome back to the Georgia Homes for Sale channel, where we break down everything you need to know about buying your dream home without the stress. And today we're tackling the 15 most searched questions home buyers ask online. And trust me, these are questions you've probably Googled too. So let's jump right in. And if any of these hit home for you, give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe. How much house can I afford? This is usually the first question people ask. And it depends on your income, debt, and credit score. A good rule of thumb is to keep your mortgage payment under 30% of your gross monthly income. Use online mortgage calculators to get a starting point, but talk to a lender for a real number. What is the home buying process? It can seem overwhelming, but it breaks down like this. Get pre-approved, find an agent, start house hunting, make an offer, do inspections, finalize the loan, then close. Boom! Keys in hand. How much do I need for a down payment? Not always 20%. FHA loans start at 3.5%. Virginia loans can be 0%, and some programs offer down payment assistance. You have options. Pre-qualification is an estimate. Pre-approval is when a lender verifies your financials. Sellers take pre-approval more seriously. It depends. If you're staying put for 5 or more years and can afford upfront costs, buying builds equity. But if you need flexibility, renting might be smarter short-term. Most lenders want 620 or higher, but some loan programs go lower. Bob Hale Realty has some of the best and most flexible lenders, helping to make more buyers become homeowners. They offer no money down programs with credit scores as low as 600, so hurry and contact Bob Hale Realty today. A higher score means lower interest rates, which can save you thousands. How long does it take to buy a house? On average, 30 to 45 days after your offer is accepted. But finding the right house, that part varies a lot. Should I buy now or wait? Market timing is tricky. Buy when you're financially ready. Trying to time the market perfectly is like trying to predict the stock market. What are closing costs? These are fees for things like inspections, appraisals, title insurance, and loan origination. Expect 2 to 5% of the home's price. What are the best neighborhoods or schools in my area? School quality affects home value. Use tools like greatschools.org or ask your agent for local insights. How do I find a good real estate agent? Referrals, online reviews, and agent interviews are key. Look for someone who knows the local market and listens to your goals. How do I make a competitive offer? In hot markets, offer your best price up front, get pre-approved, and be flexible with closing terms. Your agent can guide you. What should I look for during a home inspection? Roof, foundation, plumbing, electrical, the big ticket stuff. Don't skip it, even on new homes. Can I buy a home with student loans? Yes! Lenders look at your debt-to-income ratio, not just that you have loans. Keep your monthly debt low and your income steady. Are there first-time homebuyer programs? Yes. Grants, low-interest loans, and tax credits. Check with your state housing agency or HUD's website for what's available in your area. So, there you have it. 15 of the biggest home buying questions answered. Which one helped you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you've got more questions, let me know. I might answer them in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a tip, or feel free and call Bob Hale Realty today at 70679-62274 or visit bobhale.com. Thanks for watching and happy house hunting.